Coming up, I'm going to show you my solution to stop the autofocus noise on the Sigma 16mm f1.4. Let's go. What's up, everybody? Phil with Bull City Pictures here. Just wanted to show you my solution to try to combat the autofocus noise of the Sigma 16mm f1.4. I'm actually using it to record this video, so you won't see it on the camera, but here's the solution. This is the Sony a6500, again, different lens on it, but basically you can just buy this bracket, and there'll be a link down below to the bracket. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to play a couple clips, a clip from a previous video, which I'll link up here, that kind of detailed the noise of this with the microphone just sitting on the camera. And then I'm going to show you a clip of this solution, basically, so you can hear the noise. You might want to put headphones on for this one. Here's the way the solution actually looks. You can see here it's just this bracket. I've got the Rode video mic next to it. So I'll take that and then put it onto the a6500. You can kind of see a top-down view here. The one disadvantage to this is that it really doesn't lean towards a grab-and-go, run-and-gun kind of style. There's a little more to it now. You kind of have to assemble this. There's a little more bulk. There's a little bit more weight. 2 Pros really... The noise is almost gone, you heard in those examples. And also, you kind of have a handle if you're doing vlogging. So this gives you a little handle. And again, the microphone is far enough away from the lens that the noise isn't terrible. I think if you listen to those clips closely, you probably did hear the focus noise a little bit, especially when it was trying to focus in on those pictures. But I really don't think the noise is all that bad, especially if you're vlogging. There's probably some noise in the environment you'll be in. I think it'll be just fine for vlogging. I am going to test it. Whenever I have a chance to get out there and vlog again, I'll test it and I will let you know. And just wanted to create this really quick video to show you the solution. Some of you probably already came up with it, but there'll be a link again down below to this particular bracket that I used. Phil with Bull City Pictures, thanks so much for taking the time to view this video. If you like what you saw, please consider subscribing. If you do subscribe, click on that bell icon, and that will allow you to be notified whenever we go live or we create a new video. We'll see you in the next video.